Hi guys, so our next topic is Bootstrap grid system. As we know, grid is a two-dimensional structure which contains of vertical and horizontal lines. So here in this theory part you can see the grid illustration means we can have this much size of divs inside an HTML file. These are acting as different columns or rows, whatever it is, depending upon the content that we have, we can use the grids. In Bootstrap, grids has following four classes. If we are developing the HTML page for phones, then we can use the classes starting from XS. For tablets, we can use the classes starting from SM. For desktops, we can use MD, and for larger desktops, we can use LG. So here I have created an example of using grids where will be using a class named row and columns. So here is this example. As mentioned, already included the Bootstrap min CSS and Bootstrap min JS. So for using the grids within an HTML page, we have to use two classes. One is the class row and the other class is called -sm. See, SM you can check from the theory part for which we are using SM. SM is for tablets. So by default we make it for SM because if it is suitable for tablets, then it will work on desktops as well. So what I have done here, I have created an HTML page which contains a div. I have appended the class as row, and then the different divs I can use as columns. How I used as columns, I included class column asm-4 column asm-4. This 4 is the default size that we are providing to it. We can change it depending upon us. So let us first save this and see what effect it has on our browser. See, this is the page. I have given 3 columns, okay, this containing S4, SM4, SM4, SM4. Now if I do it like this, I put it as SM8. I've changed it SM8 in order to see the changes I'm making it editable. Now I'll refresh it. Now you can see I created 2 columns with 4 space and 1 column with 8 space. So this is the thing that I'm getting, right? So by using this I can create different, see, if I copy the whole thing, that is this whole div again, which means I've copied it. Now in the beginning I was only having one row, single row. Now I'm having 2 rows with the same thing. Let us see this in, I'll reload this page. See, now we are getting the first row is this one, okay, and the second row is the bottom one. Now what is the difference between this particular grid and other kind of div tags is, see, I'll be resizing the browser. See this, I'm resizing the browser, and you can see the size of the columns is adjusted automatically. See, I'm resizing the browser up to an extent and these are resizing automatically. So this is the best feature of Bootstrap, that we are using the grids, and those grids are automatically resizing depending upon the browsers or your desktop's resolution size. So this is the best advantage of using grids. Thank you guys. This was all about grids.